Packing for college can be scary at first, but don't worry. Here are some advice and guidelines we have. For a full list of what to pack and what not to pack, check out the description box. Don't worry if you end up forgetting or missing something. There will be a shuttle that can take you to the closest Target, and there's also a student-run secondhand sale called Scripps Scraps. Be sure not to pack too much as you'll be sharing space with others. It can be tempting to bring everything from home, but dorm rooms can fill up quickly in a year. Focus on essentials and items that will make your space feel comfortable and personal. Another tip is to wait until after you arrive before buying any extra decorations. Once you actually see your room, you'll have a better idea of what you actually need. You can always add more throughout the semester. Don't bring any personal furniture such as couches, mattresses, and bed extensions. The dorms have common areas with couches and everything, so bringing these items are not allowed. This will leave enough room for yourself and your roommates to move around comfortably. We also recommend communicating with your roommates about larger, shareable items. These items often take up more space, so sharing is really the best way to go. My roommates and I shared a mini fridge and a fan, which made moving so much more easier. Most importantly, remember that it takes time to settle in, make your space your own, and figure out what works best for you. Happy packing, and we cannot wait to welcome you to Scripps.